Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here today. Our word of the day is address, a basic level noun that means a specific location or place. Let's dive into what address really means. It's the set of details that describes where someone lives or where something is located. For example, your address might include your house number, street name, city, and even postal code. You might use this word when giving someone directions or filling out forms. Some synonyms for address include location, place, and residence. Here's how these words can be used. Instead of saying, "What is your address?" you could ask, "What is your location?" Similarly, their place is near the park, or her residence is on a popular street. Now, let's explore a few antonyms. Opposites of address include words like nowhere and unlisted. For example, he had nowhere to go, or her number is unlisted, so I couldn't find her contact details. How can we use address in everyday life? You might hear someone say, "Could you give me your address so I can send you an invitation?" Or, "Make sure the delivery driver has the correct address." It's a word you'll often need when talking about directions, planning events, or shopping online. Here are some more examples of address in sentences. I wrote the wrong address on the envelope. The hotel's address is clearly marked on their website. We moved to a new address last month. That wraps up today's episode. We've explored the meaning of address, talked about its synonyms like location and residence, and even discussed antonyms like nowhere. Thank you so much for listening. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others find the show. Now it's your turn. Think of a sentence using the word address and share it in the comments. I'd love to see how you use this word in your own way. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.